Ace your English test. TOEFL and IELTS prep resources. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on understanding TOEFL and IELTS scores. Today, we're going to focus on something super important: resources to help you improve and prepare. After all, preparation is the key, and having the right tools can make all the difference. Let's dive right in. Before we jump into the resources, let's understand why proper preparation is crucial. Both TOEFL and IELTS evaluate your ability to use and understand English in an academic context. The score you get is not just about your language skills, but also how well you can manage the specific challenges these tests throw at you. That's why even fluent speakers might struggle if they're unprepared. Books are your best friends when it comes to test preparation. Here are a few recommended ones. 1. Official Guide to the TOEFL Test. This is the official guide and comes directly from the creators of the test. It has numerous practice tests and strategies. 2. Barron's IELTS. For IELTS aspirants, Barron's provides an in-depth overview of the test and ample practice questions. While using these books, remember to practice as you learn. So, after every chapter or section, test yourself. In this digital age, mobile applications are a boon for on-the-go learners. Consider these apps for your test preparation. 1. TOEFL Prep and Practice from Magoosh. This app offers video lessons, practice questions, and more. 2. IELTS Prep App. This is an official app from the British Council and provides numerous practice tests, grammar tips, and vocabulary exercises. Use these apps during your commute or whenever you have a few minutes to spare. Online platforms often offer interactive courses and lessons that can mimic classroom settings. 1. edX and Coursera. Both platforms have courses specifically designed for TOEFL and IELTS preparation. They usually come with videos, quizzes, and peer interactions. 2. TOEFL and IELTS official websites. Don't forget to check the official websites. They often provide sample questions, test-taking tips, and sometimes even free resources. One can't stress enough the importance of consistent practice. Make it a point to 1. Solve one practice test every week. 2. Always review your mistakes and understand why you got certain questions wrong. 3. Simulate the test environment occasionally. This means timing yourself and reducing distractions, just like in the real test. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these resources guide you in your preparation journey. Remember, the key is consistent effort and understanding your strengths and weaknesses. With the right tools and mindset, you're sure to excel. Happy studying and best of luck!